In this video, we will learn about ice cap climate. It is denoted by capital letter EF. Capital letter E denotes the entire group, which is cold polar climate, and F is for ice caps, which is a subtype under polar climate. Now, ice cap climate is only located near the poles. It is a polar climate where the temperature never exceeds 0 degrees Celsius. The ice cap climate experiences the coldest temperatures on Earth. Such areas are found around the North and South Pole and on top of the highest mountains. This climate experiences bitterly cold temperatures throughout the year, especially during the long polar night. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, temperature drops. The high latitude location is the primary cause of the extremely cold temperatures and dry conditions. At such a high latitude, sun angle and insolation intensity is low. The sun never rises above the horizon during the long months of the polar night. The sun rays that does reach the surface is efficiently reflected away by the white permanent cover of snow and ice. Since this region is very cold and cool temperature is associated with high pressure, that makes it impossible for water to evaporate and then condensation to take place, and this reduces the chance of precipitation. The ice cap climate is found over the frozen lands of the Arctic and Antarctic. In the northern hemisphere, the ice cap climate is found over the interior of Greenland and the permanently frozen portion of the Arctic Ocean and northern parts of Canada and Russia. In the southern hemisphere, the vast continent of Antarctica is the largest location of ice cap climate. And I've also said that this climate also exists on top of the highest mountains because of altitude. These mountains are the Andes, the Himalayas, the Rocky Mountains, the Caucasus, and the Alps. Places with ice cap climate witnesses two extreme seasons. The seasons are determined by the amount of light. During the summer, there is nearly 24 hours of light since the pole is pointed towards the sun. And during the winter, the pole is facing away from the sun, which causes nearly 24 hours of darkness. When it comes to vegetation, in this harsh climate, some areas have plant life such as moss and lichen. Lichen is a mixture of fungus and algae. When it comes to wildlife, penguins in the South Pole and polar bears near the North Pole are amongst the animals that live in this harsh environment.